Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix photos disappearing issues on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on this three dot icon and click on hide album. So you will see unhide from here. After unhide albums, you will see all albums is showing here. So you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click scroll down and search gallery app from here. Click on gallery app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix photos disappearing issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.